Here. Alright, welcome to another video. A beautiful Sunday morning. Again with William. It's our third video already, episode. Of course, with the beautiful Suburban. Will be following us Sunday. So I like to drive a car today. Let's enjoy the day today. But this time, let's use this one. William, do you know this car? Pwede naman eh. Let's go to Esteban. Let's head over there. Hopefully, may mga makita tayong sasakyan. Kasi nga si William nandito. I want to show him around, of course. Do you know this car? This is a special car. Oh, alam niyo, galant to. This car used to be owned by a famous actor.
Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah. Eduardo Garcia. The action star. I don't know if you know him. But it's a famous actor star, so he used to own this one. That's why it's special. Tara. Right in front na. So, yan, si William kasi mahilig din sa mga JDM yan. So, dun naman saan to? Sa Esteban.
Did he put this on?
Yeah, that's aftermarket. My friend put it. Sa Esteban naman kasi, you can bring any car you want. So, I'm not sure lang ngayon kung wild pa rin sa Esteban or hindi. Kasi lately, bawal na ata mag-park doon ng double park do. So, let's find out. Because last time we were there, dami namin nakita. So, I'm hoping today, marami rin tayo makita. So, first start for you. Because I want to drive Sunday. It's actually Father's Day. Mabuti sa naman tayo ni William. May kasama tayo. First start for everyone. Listen to her. And look at the RPM.
The exhaust is really nice.
Yeah, the RPM is up to 9,000.
That's nice.
Yeah, 9. No? Kasi this is a special car. It's manual, it's V6, it's top of the line during back then. This is a 1993. So 30-year-old.
Whose bag is this?
That's mine. Put it at the back na lang. Alright, so, pero punta muna tayo ng, saan to? Flat 6, because they also have an event there. So, hindi ko lang alam kung marami, mga vintage car. So, tignan natin. So, pagas muna tayo dun sa Petron in EDSA. The famous Petron, if you know that one. So, all the supercars are there.
Oh yeah, that one.
Yeah, that one.
The one with the audio on display?
Yes, correct. So, let's pagas doon after the Flat 6 para, malay mo, there's supercars there, di ba? Dun sila nagmi-meet eh. And I'm really low on gas. So sana umabot. Because this baby is thirsty. Ayan, pag Sunday talaga, masarap mag-drive oh. The road is all to you. William is enjoying the Galant. Thank you so much. And Convoy Suburban. So flat 6. Tingnan natin ano meron doon. They changed the lineup already. Archangel is no longer there. I think they have a vintage car there.
Wow.
So I'll just buy coffee. Kasi it's Father's Day eh. So I saw in their post, they're inviting vintage cars owners to visit the shop. But I know, it's still early. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. So let's see. Wala pa, it's really early. So I don't see any cars pa in Flat 6. But in Turks, there's a couple. Wala pa, it's too
Look,
early.
Benz 500.
Yeah, SL.
something.
Ayan, there's a Benz old. Hold this
Wow,
one.
there's a Ford Escort there.
Tara, let's just buy a coffee muna. Oh, shit. Did you hear that? Ay! Okay. Alright, coffee break. Punta ako sa Flat 6, maaga nga kasi. But there's a beautiful SL500. Oh, Benz, no? Tapos yung loob. Ganda. So, open naman na. I can go in. Bili na tayo ng coffee muna. Too early. Look at this Ford. Mexico. Ganda, oh. Bili tayo ng... Teka. Isang ano? Iced Americano. Beautiful Ford Escort. Ganda ng mugs, no? Liit. tiny mags. Ano yan? Is it 13? Oh yeah, it's 13. 4 lugs. I love the livery, the Mexico. What do you mean 68? 1968? This one? See? Even the year model, he knows. Ako, hindi ko na alam. So 2000, but 2000? Is it 2 liter? And I love the fog lamps. The quad fog lamps on the floor. Ganda ng pagka-restore, no? Ito pala, may nakasulat pala. MK1. 1968. You're right, 1960. Tama siya, oh. Rally Motorsport, lightweight, rear-wheel drive. Dominated the global rally. This one? Who drove it? Brian? Ah, really?
It's a blue one.
Ang ganda ng ano. Side mirror niya, dude. And, syempre manual. So, it's really wide, though. But he thinks it's not stock. Ang ganda. And the color. I thank you. And sa Turks, we saw a couple of exotics already and a vintage. Pero konti pa lang sila.
Start looking right because the Urus is still there.
This one, the Urus, you're telling me.
Yeah.
It's in Army Navy, not
Ugly.
in Turks.
Then there's an old 911 up there.
Here, yeah, the old 911. Classic
It's
yan.
behind the Ferrari, if memory
Eh,
serves.
2 Ferrari. Ganda ng red, no? What's the red one?
812.
812 and this one.
Pista.
Pista and the
911,
classic. Ganda ng
901.
plate, no? Ayan, Turks. Anyway, doon na tayo sa EDSA. So let's do a pull here. It's long kasi. Good job. Not too fast. Just right. Mahaba. That's why everybody is do racing here.
It
This is
feels
good.
fast.
Wala pa eh. I'm only like in 50% pa lang yun.
Where's
Woo! Is it? No. DTS. Ganda, no?
Why is still
Wide.
better?
Look at that wide butt. Your Uncle Irwin, that's one.
Yeah, but
Diba?
he traded it for.
Oh, really? Already?
Diba?
I don't know.
He traded it.
Alright. Petron would be on your left. There. U-turn. Pwede ba mag-U-turn dyan? I'm not so sure. Let's figure it out. And Makati is on your right. So sana marami tayong makita ngayon. Please. No?
What the hell?
Parang mahina ang Petron. Wala pa. But many people are already there trying to catch the supercars. Wala pa nga. At ay, mayroon sa baba. Ayun. A bit. There's a bit.
GT3.
Ano, I need the blaze.
Holy shit.
Ayan,
That's a 911.
meron naman. Sige, baba tayo.
It's like a replica.
We can go down. I'll have gas first. Here in Petron. Siyempre, blaze. So the crew just left. Let's see the cars. So we were late by 10 minutes. Siguro may run. What Ferrari is this one? What Ferrari is this one?
I think it's a 458.
This one, 458? The best one? That's the best Ferrari. NA. And what's this one?
GT3 RS. Looks like a 911R.
Nice color, no? I like the color. And the other one?
911R.
R? So what's R? What's so special about this one? This looks special.
911R is like only a few of them are.
Ah.
Thing is, I'm not sure if this is a replica or some wrap or not.
Ah, you mean the stripes?
See, it's a 911R.
So it's turbo? Ganun ba, R?
No, it's GT3, but for the road.
Ah, for the road, so legal, not for the track.
A GT3 RS, but they took the wing out and made it a road car.
Ah, I see. So limited. Nice, I like it.
997 over there, but the thing is, this is a 991.
But you know, I like the one with wings. But it has an active, oh, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, looks like. Even the wheels are green.
Yes.
Yeah, I like the color of this one. This one's nice with the cage, oh. Even the look at the fire extinguisher, it's green.
Nice, also green.
You know the owners, oh. Crazy.
Oh, look at the interior. It's carbon fiber in there. See that?
How can you see? How can you see where? Ah, here, this one. The central, yeah, the console, yeah.
Look, this is dragonfly.
Oh, rolling out.
The
Let's see. Ay, thank you.
458.
458 is rolling out with a convoy. He's a daddy. Nice, Max. Sayang, we didn't see them. Huh? Umalis, oh, look. Huh?
This is Nürburgring.
Yeah, every Sunday that car is here. I saw that before already. How do you know it's a Nürburgring?
Look at the wing.
Oh, so that's even a special LFA. You mean?
This is Nürburgring package LFA.
Nice, no? The famous exhaust. The triangle exhaust. So, buti nakita niya. It's your first time to see one?
No.
Where did you see one?
I've seen. This is the third one I've seen. One in the Lexus dealership in BGC. and
Ah, BGC.
One in the Toyota museum.
So, same museum but now in the real world.
Yeah, but this
That's
was
it.
a Nürburgring package, so that's my favorite.
Does it say Nürburgring? No, no.
No, it doesn't say.
It doesn't say?
Nürburgring package.
Nürburgring daw because of the wing. What engine is this one? Is this a V8?
V10.
10? Oh, like the Audi. Tignan natin yung harap. So, lahat ng tao dito nagwala yung dumating. Dami tao. Grabe, oh, mga gears pa sila, oh. Look at the gears, oh. Oh. Dapat you should do that one day. Oh. This is better than the museum kasi this is actual road car. Diba?
This is a LFA Nürburgring package.
Sakto, paalis pa kami. At least may nakita kami isa. At least, we saw one good one. It's a unicorn, no? So, good job. We saw one. Nakakatawa. This one, I really like the color. Tingnan natin. Ito rin nakita ko last time, eh. Diba? Before when you were here. Ganda ng interior, no? Red. Look, there's molds, oh. Yeah. It's not driving this so much.
Still a good car.
Oh, yeah? How much is this one? Would you know? It's
Old car already.
more expensive than a Ferrari, di ba? This one.
A lot.
Even the Lambo,
5 times more.
5 times more. Wow. Ay, I'll take a picture of you. Wait lang. Oh, mga tao crowd, oh. Nakakatawa, no? Ito na, oh, puro bata, oh. Nakakatawa sila. And this one, just rolled in. Sabi ni William, maraming alam talaga na ako wala. ST, tama nga siya, oh. Ang galing, oh. From afar, alam niya ng ST. Picture natin si William. Wait lang. Yan, so we are here. Ilan ba? 3 minutes away pa pala. But we are in the jungle of Makati already. Sunday, you see a lot of runners and I used to live here sa condo when I was in college. 180 meters, so doon pa, diretso pa. And yan. We are here on the next.
Oh, 911 Targa. Right
There?
top. Yeah.
Ito na yun. Esteban. Ayan, may mga parking pa naman. So we can park.
Look like this.
Park where? Kaya no, mukhang konti lang.
Not much, not much.
Not much
I
pa.
think we're late.
No, it's still early. Believe me. Last time I was here, it was like 10 o'clock. People were just arriving.
Ferrari. That's harap.
So, let's see the parade.
Yeah,
Pero
I
wala
think
pa.
that's an Aston. Ferrari Spider.
So, you have to wait. Wait.
Look, there's an Aston Martin up ahead.
In Esteban, round 2. But, parang konti. So, naka-double park na muna tayo. Pero hindi ko na pinaalis muna yung convoy natin. Para kung may dumating na police officer. Okay, bantay mo na lang muna. Mabilis na lang kami. But, so far, we have the GTR. Red with the Advance. And, what Ferrari is that? 458? Is it? It's tinted, ah. It's very rare to see a tinted Ferrari, you know?
The windows are almost pitch black.
Ito ba, normally it's clear. Ito, this one is heavily tinted. Ganda ng caliper, oh. Big.
This thing right here is what makes it a form.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's the distinct feature?
Yeah, this is a spider.
Talaga nun, daming alam. Then we have an Aston, konti lang.
I think it's a DB9.
Is it? Is it Bond, oh? Look at the plate number. Bond 007. Beetle to, di ba? Diyan lang. Yeah, 007 Bond Edition.
DB9.
DB9?
Yeah.
And, yan, syempre. Andre, Dayaris. Black ba to? Blue. So,
There's a
naka-double
GTR
park
over
na ako.
there. Did you see
Oh,
it?
I didn't see. Ah, in front of the Ferrari. William, what you found there? There's another Ferrari.
Oh, yeah, 50.
What?
A 50. Is that a 50?
He brought his own Ferrari F50. I think it's smaller. How come it's small? It looks smaller than usual, huh?
Nah, it's not. No worries. It's not full scale F50.
At least you were able to park one in front of a real Ferrari. Rolling. Okay. Achievement unlock. Let's see the Evo there. Actually, so far, the best for me would be this one. Sana totoo.
1 in 400, something like that.
So we have Evolution Pajero. Don't know if it's real. Pero X eh. The plate is X, so it's from Subic. So might be. Sorry, I don't know how to check kung legit or hindi. But if it's not, if it's a build, still beautiful build.
This one might be real.
Really? How do you know?
No, it has the Recaros.
Oh yeah. Hindi, you can easily buy a Recaro eh. Pero if this real, ganda ng wing oh. Oh my God, I'm loving this one. With the pointed wing. Ganda. Build or real. But I bet it's real. You know, I think it's real. Yeah, it's a Vox. Advan.
Nice.
Evolution. X kasi eh. So that means it's from Subic. Way back. So if it's from Subic, it's from Japan. So if it's from Japan, it should be real. Di ba? So this is converted. Look at how wide the body is. No? Kasi ang FM, because the FM is wide na, di ba? Pero this one is even wider. Look at the gas, ano, it's here.
These things would be silver.
I don't know. Even that, you know, the color. And the vents.
They'd be silver.
Ganda. Tapos, I don't know kung manual to eh. Is it manual ba? Can't see. It's heavily
It has a
tinted.
stick.
It has a stick? You can see?
But that doesn't guarantee it's manual.
But is this diesel ba? Di ba gas ang Evolution?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I'm not, pang ang alam ko, gas yan ng Evolution. So, I don't know. Ganda ng front bumper din with those small fog lamps. Talagang pogi. Teka, I should take a picture of this one. So far, ito yung favorite natin, no? Ito yung luma, it's old, but it's a unicorn. F-type, rolling in.
That type bird. It looks like that one's an SVR.
Feeling the Japanese vibe here in Esteban. Kaya lang, konti nga lang ngayon. I don't know. Siguro mamaya pa. Oh, we have a beautiful 200. With Defender mirrors, Japan type. Ganda ng mugs, oh. Evo course. Ganda, no? Clean. Very clean. Ganda ng ALC, oh.
Has a funny looking muffler on it.
That's how they do it. So, Japan vibe, who is that? And we have the GTS Turbo. Ganda rin to, gusto ko kotse to. Mura na lang ngayon yan. Yung, well, not the GTS, pero it's less than 1 million. Kung maghahanap ka ng V8 na Cayenne, 2008, 2010, very achievable. Owner, bata pa. Diba? Pero ganda. SUV. Nice! Nice, no?
That's a very
Mga bata pa sila. Oh. So far, ito yung mga exotics dito. Nice! Good morning! Good morning! Hanip. Carbon ceramic. Is it carbon ceramic brakes?
Yeah,
Looks like.
it.
Bata pa. Oh, the Ferrari.
Has nice rims on it.
It's not stuck.
No, there's aftermarket. Oh, no, actually.
You can smell the fumes. Iba tunog nila, no? And look at the GTR. You can hear the rumble. Yun. Nice. Sila yung mayari, oh. Mga bata pa, oh.
Ah, so that's the Ferrari.
Yeah. So, I'm telling William, meron pang wildflower, di ba, BGC? Baka mamaya andun yung iba. Malapit lang naman. So, pwede tayong dumaan just to see. Woo! Nice turbo. Can hear the whistle. So, pwede, no? Daan tayo ng wildflower kasi konti, eh. Patay ang Esteban today. Sorry, guys. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Esteban. Low day for Esteban. Pero buti, may mga exotics. Ha?
This is my turbo.
That's your turbo? Does it whistle? Alright.
Yes.
Have to wait lang. Well, may pumapasok
I think
pa.
it's a BRT.
Ganda ng red. I'm loving the red.
Oh,
Super.
there's a BRT coming up.
Oh, there's a BRZ. Naka-sounds pa siya, oh.
No, it's a Toyota F.
Yung sa likod.
And another 86 behind it.
86.
Yeah, see, it's a
BRZ boys. Toyota boys. Rolling. Ganda ng tunog.
Oh, wow.
Ganda ng kit, oh.
Paris.
Subaru. Ganda.
Paris BRT. Oh, look at that muffler.
Ganda ng muffler, no? Yan ang problema kasi wala ng parking. That's why. See? Well, yun nga maganda sa mga ganito, no? You can bring your car, whatever car it is. It doesn't have to be a supercar, an exotic, a classic. Kung JDM kotse mo, yan, a simple galant, just bring it here so that people can enjoy and meet the owners themselves. Ayun, maganda dito. And actually, maganda yung vibe. The street itself. Tapos, yun nga, yardstick is way over there. So, isa pang coffee house on the right. If you want to have refreshments, the Galant is looking really good. Guwapo. And he likes the Galant. Thank you for liking the Galant, ah.
It's nice.
It's nice, no? Oh, see? So, na-appreciate niya, oh. Buti pa si William, eh. Anyway, most of you, you appreciate the Galant also when we do videos sa Galant. Kaya I wanted to bring this car to make memories. What?
The F50 is also nice.
Where? There, at front? Kasha? Next time, what will you bring? Oh, kasi mahilig din sa diecast to. Kaya sumabog yung ulo niya last week
I'm not
kila
gonna bring
Pipo.
any 1:18 because it might get damaged.
How can you
Those are
damage
more
it?
expensive.
Oh, the one inside the box pa.
No.
So, we are heading out to BGC Wildflower. Silip lang. Kung meron, meron. Thank you. Kung wala, hindi wala. No? Meron talaga. You have to catch them where they are. At least naman, successful naman. Madami tayong nakita mga supercar. Wait, let me just throw this one. Actually here, oh, looks Japan talaga. See, with the skyscrapers. Tapos, one-way road nga kasi. Kino-close nila to give way for the runners on Sunday. Yeah. Inside, yeah. Anyway, let's see kung BGC, kung mas marami dun. We don't know. We are hoping. So, venue number 3, actually, with my man, William. Actually, marami naman kami nakita. We're happy naman. Really love that Evo. Yung Pajero Evo natin. Ganda. Sobra. In love ako dun. So, sana sa BGC, there's a couple. Kasi di ba may Sunday thing din dun. Sa BGC Wildflower. They might be there, they might not be there. We don't know. Ganda. Harley, no? It's not Harley. Patina. Okay, see you there. So now, we are in the jungles of BGC. Bilis lang talaga pag Sunday. Everything is connected with each other, 5 minutes. So,
Natural habitat of supercars.
here, no? So, William is riding shotgun with me. He has the best seat in the house. Malapit na tayo. Sana naman may makita tayo kahit paano to close this video, no? Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Father's Day. Jinx it. I see a couple. Is it recording? Are we recording? Yeah, sorry. Ito na. Welcome, no? BGC Car Club on Sundays. This is my second time here. We see a couple. They're here. Oh.
Hey, it's the same virus.
They are here. Thank you. Oh, we have a Gallardo.
996, Gallardo. Hey, it's the DB United. 991
at least-
GT3 RS, Ferrari F8
Okay.
Bermuda, 911
Congrats,
Turbo
congrats.
S. Hey, it's the F-Type and the...
Oh, there's a classic.
Oh,
Wait,
it's him again.
let me look
It's
for a
him
parking
again.
spot here. Oh, they're here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So, I
Wait,
want-
parking lang tayo. So successful. The Suburban and the Ray-Ban made it to BGC car day. Success, tara.
Hey!
Oh, dun muna tayo sa Ferrari. Watch your road, ah. First car. What's our first car? So wide. Welcome to BGC. Woo! Nice, oh. Ito, William. Looks like stock mags, no?
Exact one, the Uncle Erwin traded
Really?
for the Huracan Technica.
And this is ganda ng engine, no?
The 86.
Modern na.
The 86 group.
Oh yeah, the a while ago, no?
Yeah, same one.
Ito, let's go here. Watch out, ha? Medyo busy road. Ayun, mas okay yung BGC pala. Kasi mas malaki parking siguro, eh. No? Look at this beautiful, ganda. Yeah, R129, ganda, oh, linis, oh. Hanip,
The
tignan mo yung...
pagoda from the band speed.
Yeah. Ito may ilalim, oh.
Watch out!
Linis.
The
Hello. Ito mo, gaano kalinis to? 380. 380. Yeah, perfectly restored, man. It has the blue interior, no? Grabe, sobrang ganda ng pagka-restore nito. Nai-elib ako. Galing, oh. Ang wood. Diba? Classic na classic. We have a Stang. Ganda. Grabe tong coaching to.
See this wing?
Yeah.
I think I can eat dinner on that.
Oh yeah, of course. Look how wide.
Hey, but this is the GT500 we saw earlier.
A while ago? Ito ba yun?
Oh no, it's not a
Hindi.
GT500.
Ayun, what's the yellow one?
That is Bermuda, yeah.
Uy, Rick, ay.
The M2.
Oh. This one's nice. Tama nga, oh. Tributo.
This one.
F8, oh. Nice one. Ayun pa. We have a couple pa there. Oh, nice livery. This M2. Dami ng aftermarket upgrades kahit pa paano. You know? The mugs, livery, the stickers, the carbon fibers. Gwapo ng BM. Ganda ng ano nyo, emblem. Nice emblem. Ganda ng BM talaga. Loving the BM. Then, the Turbo S 911. Silver. And then the GT3 RS. Oh my God. It's a track car.
It's a 991.
Yeah. So, pero automatic siya, oh. Later, ikot tayo pag ganun. Dito muna. Later na. You're gonna park the F50. Again, the F50 of William. Made it here. Ganda na plate number niya. Orange ba to? Parang, no?
Hey, it's a little
So,
Pro truck.
majority what we saw, more Porsches, no?
Yeah. Porsches are nice.
And Ferraris, actually. So, good day na rin kasi we saw a lot of Ferraris today.
Over this.
So, parang 3 Ferraris? Tama ba? Yeah, 3 Ferraris so far. And the LFA, of course. Ganda ng Gallardo. Tara. Oh, may ipis sasakay. Sasakay ipis. We have the Cayenne, a modern Cayenne. So they do allow it. Everybody's here. Ito, last time, ito S, so turbo. Ganda ng boxer din, no? With the plate number box. I'm loving the mags. Ganda ng mags niya. Beautiful mags. Ito bagay sa'yo, William, this car.
I don't like it.
Pero bagay sa'yo to.
Don't like it.
It's manual. Hello.
I don't like it.
Hello.
I don't like it.
6 speed. Oh, it's open.
It's okay.
SLK 230.
V12.
Oh, shit.
V12.
V12 Vantage. We have a Vantage. Mamaya picture tayo. So we have a Vantage here. So Wildflower is there. Lots of people. And so dito mas wild sila. The Germans, look. So the owner, syempre, foreigner. Rolling out. So, Of course, has to be foreigners. Hindi sila magkasya. Oh. They're too big for the car.
No, but hold on this B12 Vantage.
And the Vantage. Wait. Wow. That's stock, no?
Yeah, it's not.
Stock yan eh. Ganda naman. Thank you for the opportunity. V12 also.
Yeah, look.
Ay-
Julia. Oh. Look.
And, tinan mo tong ano to, GT3. Oy, nag-roll out na pala yung Benz natin. Look at this GT3 RS. Waysak.
Oh, wow. So what?
Ganda naman ng mags. Bagay sa kanya, no, yung kulay. Pero paddle shifters, of course. Ganda ng gilid. Sorry, don't know much about the car, but here, line up, yan. Kung wala kayong ginagawa on Sundays, you can visit here ito. Again, this is legal naman. It's an event talaga. Every Sunday. Sundays, 9 a.m. Okay, let me take some pictures lang.
Oh, the
Meron pa on the other side eh.
supercharged pa lang SLK na yan, no? Uy, Civic! EK, oh.
Where? There?
EK.
Oh yeah. SIR, I think.
Yeah.
So let's go on the ganda ng GT3 na to. I'm falling in love with this car. Aggressive eh. Ako mahilig ako sa mga aggressive kasi. Yung mga aggressive na style. Malalaking wing yan. Gustong-gusto natin yan. Malalaking mags. Yung mga flared out. William, let's go. And Alfa Romeo? Alfa, ayan, Wildstar. Purong-puro. Gilia. What's this car? What's this about?
Julia, I used to have a GTAM and
So what's so special about this car?
this one's up a lot.
And the Lamborghini, what is this one? Gallardo. Ang ganda, timeless. Look how wide the trunk is, oh, the engine.
Gated.
Oh, wow! It's gated, manual. Gated siya. How many cylinders this one? 10? Probably, no? Ay, sorry. Ah, si Munir. Yan, kanya to eh. It's his car. Sir Munir, I'm following you.
Wanna sit down inside?
You wanna sit down inside? It's his car. Si Sir Munir. Yan, sikat din yan. Oh, mapaupuin pa siya, oh. You're in for a treat, ha? Tingnan natin. Thank you, ah. Oh, see? Another dream come true, ha? Gated. Maraming alam sa kotse kasi. Oo, alam nga niya, gated. Alam niya, rare. Ayos. Sayang, di mo dala yung RWB. Thank you so much. Ito, sigat to. Na car dealer din. Pina-follow ko. But first time seeing him. Oh, tahimik lang. It's quiet, ha?
Really wrapped it, I guess.
But it's quiet, no? So, stock lang, oh. Wala ka nang gagawin, no? Oh, look at the plate. Binend na. Because there's no space for plate.
Yeah.
And the color. I'm loving the color. Ganda, no?
The yellow is nice.
Oh, look.
Oh, it's a rose.
Gangster. Gangster. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. It's quiet. Ah, stop.
Shows us how low
Ito, look.
the car is.
Competition.
I'm good.
Is it? X6. Ganda. Sir Munir. Ganda, oh. Woo! Take a picture there. Ganda ng wagon. Cars coming in. GT3. Woo! Nico, dream car mo. Sulit, ah. Teka, picture pa ako dito kasi sayang naman yung memories natin, no? Thank you, Wildflower. Thank you, BGC.
Spare me, please. Please, A6s. Please spare me.
And this one, oh. Wow.
Turbo.
Is it?
Look at the headlight.
It's butas?
Explanation for that.
No, it's intake, di ba?
Yeah.
Ganda naman ang wagon na to. E30, tama ba?
Yeah.
E30 wagon.
Look at the pocket seats on.
Butas nga yung isa. Ganda ng tuhok. And with the mags. Ganda naman pagkabagsak, oh. Baba. Ganda ng color.
Probably a sleeper.
I'll take, oh wow, yeah. Look at the seats. And manual siya, oh. Manual. Ganda ng wagon. I'm a wagon lover for those who know. Sobrang love ko ang mga wagon. Kung mag-wagon ako, mga OD yan, trip natin yan. Ito, ganito. Even the Benz, meron din, yung mga luma. Diba? Ang ganda ng wagon kasi. Volkswagen, diba? May mga wagon din sila. Grabe Recaro nito. Racing seat na racing seat. Ang ganda. With the Momo steering wheel. Picture kita dyan. Wait. So, we have a Cayman coming in. Ganda rin ang Cayman, ano? Oh, wow! The Maybach. Ibang kotse rin, no? Tahimik lang. And the Maybach. Gangster. Ang mga gusto natin. Pero this one. So far, the best lineup for me here, siyempre, yung kay Sir Mona Milayo. Yung Gallardo na gated. Ang ganda talaga. When you see it in person. Na yellow. Stock lang pero ang lapad. Talagang exotic tingnan. It combines that modern and classic feel, no? VRC. It's driving hard. Tapos this yellow Ferrari, no? So siguro, that's it. Ano, let's finish the vlog na. Thanks William for joining me. Another episode with William here. More to come. Sama natin sa mga meet ko. So, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you're not subscribed. Loving this to. Yung wagon din, gusto ko talaga. Ayan, ganyan lang mga gusto nating kotse, no? Another look of the wagon. Thank you for watching. Buti dumaan tayo ng BGC, so mas marami tayo nakita. Mas maraming laman tong video natin na to, no? Thank you for the support.
Two different levels, I can never relate.